Pet hair can cling to car seats, carpets and interior panels, making your vehicle look messy and triggering allergies. Because pet hair is static and embeds into fabric, normal vacuuming often is not enough. With the right tools and techniques, you can easily get your car clean again. Start by thoroughly vacuuming your car's seats, carpets, and other fabric surfaces to remove as much pet hair as possible. Use a vacuum with a brush or upholstery attachment, as the bristles help loosen hair that's stuck in the fibers. Work in short, overlapping strokes rather than long sweeps to lift embedded hair more effectively. Taking your time with this first step makes it easier for other cleaning methods to remove any remaining hairs. After vacuuming, use a rubber brush or a rubber pet hair brush to loosen and gather any remaining pet hair from your car's upholstery and carpets. The soft rubber bristles create friction and static electricity that lift stubborn hairs out of the fabric, pulling them into easy-to-remove clumps. Mix 1 part fabric softener with 3 parts water in a spray bottle to help loosen stubborn pet hair. Lightly mist the solution over your car's seats and carpets, being careful not to soak the fabric, and let it sit for a moment. The fabric softener reduces static electricity, making pet hair release from the fibers more easily. After misting, vacuum the area again to remove the remaining strands. For small or hard-to-reach areas like seat seams and corners, use a lint roller or wide sticky tape to pick up any remaining pet hair. Press the sticky surface firmly against the fabric, then lift it away to pull out the hairs that vacuums or brushes might have missed. Replace the roller sheet or tape as it fills with hair, and repeat until the area is clean. This method is quick, inexpensive, and especially effective for detailed spots where pet hair tends to collect. Once you have loosened and lifted most of the pet hair, finish by giving your car's interior one last thorough vacuum. This final pass removes any stray hairs and debris left behind from the previous steps, leaving the seats, carpets, and corners clean. Pet hair removers for cars are specially designed tools and products that help clean stubborn pet hair from seats, carpets, and other interior surfaces. Its innovative triangular design removes stubborn fur from car mats, bedding, and more up to 10 times faster than traditional methods. It's built to last and stays effective for years. This eco-friendly tool is reusable and easy to clean, just rinse with water after use. With its versatile shape, it effortlessly gathers pet hair from all angles, helping you keep your spaces fur-free while reducing waste. By following these simple steps and using the right pet hair removal tools, you can keep your car's interior fresh, clean, and allergen-free.